A&H Consultant welcomes you to this complete guide on mastering Claude AI for business, HR, education, and professional productivity. This video will explore features, practical use cases, and strategies to enhance your daily work efficiency. We have a comprehensive agenda planned. Over the next 12 segments, we will journey from the fundamentals of Claude AI through advanced applications, including coding, data analysis, and professional productivity best practices. What exactly is Claude AI? Built by Anthropic, Claude is a general-purpose reasoning assistant designed with safety as a core principle. It is trained using constitutional AI, ensuring that it remains helpful, honest, and harmless in your professional environment. Claude has evolved rapidly since 2023. From the release of the Claude 3 family to the introduction of advanced reasoning models and agentic capabilities in the Claude 4 and 5 series, each generation has brought significant improvements in context length and performance. Choosing the right model is key to productivity. Haiku 4.5 is optimized for speed, Sonnet 5 for balanced daily tasks, and Opus 4.8, or the Fable 5 class models for highly complex, high-stakes reasoning. Match the model to your task complexity to optimize cost and performance. Navigating the Claude interface is intuitive. Use the chat workspace for everyday tasks, projects for organizing long-term workflows, and artifacts for rendering and iterating on deliverables. Files and settings further customize your experience to suit your professional needs. Artifacts are a signature feature that brings your work to life. This dedicated panel allows you to view and refine code, documents, and interactive visuals in real time, dramatically accelerating your revision cycles compared to traditional text-only outputs. Let's see an artifact in action. By prompting Claude to generate an onboarding checklist, we can immediately see a structured, editable document in the side panel. Try this. Prompt yourself to see how quickly you can move from an idea to a usable asset. Projects offer a way to create persistent, purpose-built workspaces. By setting custom instructions and uploading relevant files, you ensure every interaction within that project stays on brand and on policy, eliminating the need to provide context repeatedly. Claude's long context window is a powerful capability, allowing it to process massive volumes of text, like hundreds of pages, in a single conversation. This makes it ideal for analyzing entire reports, books, or legal documents at once. Claude also features advanced vision capabilities. It can read and interpret images, meaning you can extract data from charts, process scanned invoices, or review visual designs simply by uploading a screenshot. Web search integrates live information into your workflow. When enabled, Claude can search the internet for current news, market data, or recent policy changes, providing cited sources to ground your research in up-to-date facts. For technical teams, Claude serves as a robust coding assistant. It supports a wide array of programming languages, can assist with complex debugging by analyzing stack traces, and supports agentic workflows to help you plan and iterate on your code more efficiently. Beyond technical tasks, Claude is an exceptional writing assistant. Whether you are drafting business reports, emails, or marketing content, you can define your audience and tone to receive high-quality professional first drafts that save you significant time. Finally, Claude excels at data analysis. It can clean messy spreadsheets, perform calculations, and summarize trends, turning hours of manual work into a swift, interactive conversation. Always remember that Claude is a partner. Human review is vital for critical decision-making. Now let's deep dive into how Claude functions within HR workflows. It can support the recruitment process by drafting job descriptions, screening resumes against specific criteria, and generating targeted interview questions. In business environments, Claude acts as a versatile utility. It supports marketing and sales by drafting campaign copy, assists in customer support by refining response templates, and helps turn meeting notes into structured knowledge bases. In education, Claude serves as a valuable resource for teachers and researchers. Educators can use it to draft lesson plans or rubrics, while researchers can utilize its ability to quickly summarize academic papers and organize literature reviews. Developers benefit from Claude's ability to assist with code reviews and debugging. By leveraging its long context window, it can trace root causes across multiple files, while also helping to document APIs and automate repetitive migration tasks. For marketing teams, Claude streamlines the content pipeline. From planning SEO-aware content calendars to brainstorming campaign angles and drafting social media or email copy, it effectively compresses the idea-to-draft stage of production. To get the most out of your prompts, use the RTCGFE framework. Define the role, task, context, goal, format, and provide examples. This structured approach significantly improves the quality of the output. We have curated 20 professional prompts across various functions to help you start quickly. Whether you are in HR, sales, or coding, these examples provide a solid foundation for your specific workflows. Consider this case study. A boutique HR firm scaled its output without increasing headcount by standardizing their recruiting workflow in a shared project. By automating repetitive drafting, their consultants gained time to manage more client engagements. When comparing Claude to other AI assistants like ChatGPT, focus on how they fit your unique workflow and safety requirements. The best choice is often determined by which platform best aligns with your team's existing ecosystem and security posture. Similarly, when comparing Claude to Gemini, evaluate the specific needs of your organization. While Gemini offers deep integration with Google Workspace, Claude is frequently valued for its reasoning depth and commitment to safety-first design. For a candid assessment, remember that while Claude excels in reasoning and safe, agentic coding, top-tier models can involve higher costs or latency. Always treat AI-generated outputs as drafts requiring human review, especially for high-stakes decisions. Looking ahead, keep an eye on AI agent trends. Future developments point toward more autonomous task execution, deeper integration with business systems via new protocols, and a continued focus on safety as systems grow in capability. Working responsibly is vital. Always provide clear goals and context, review generated content thoroughly, and adhere to your company's data policies, especially regarding sensitive personal or proprietary information. To continue your learning, refer to these essential resources: the official Anthropic website, the documentation portal, our prompt engineering guide, and the Help Center. These are your primary hubs for ongoing support and product updates. Thank you for joining this session. We hope this guide serves as a valuable resource for your work. Please contact us on anhconsultant1@gmail.com.